When we are talking about 2022, there are some good anime series have come, but those are not effective on large amount of audience. And now things might be different because there are a special anime series coming up, Chainsaw Man. This is set to be released on October 2022. This is one of the most anticipated anime for 2022. Yes, again this is based on same demons or devils, but this anime follows the modern kind of style. Till now, there are 2 trailers already coming out of Chainsaw Man, and I have to say this gonna be a superb anime series, and it will be a popular shonen anime because Chainsaw Man manga is already popular. Originally it is published through Shonen Jump in 2018, and this man created this. This irreverent and supernatural manga hold and grab their audience and build some trust for it. If you followed anime or manga regularly, then you will definitely know Chainsaw Man quickly become one of the most talked about topics in anime world. Good things for Chainsaw Man is Mappa Studio has their hand on it. The studio is very good from past couple of years, and they are very innovative in their works. The studio already gave us Jujutsu Kaisen, Attack on Titan, Villain Saga. You probably heard about Studio Mappa, right? October was already speculated to be the Chainsaw Man anime release date. There hasn't been confirmed when exactly the first episode will be released, but we are sure that will be soon announced. So now let's talk about the main plot and then main characters of this anime. Chainsaw Man followed the story of a young boy Denji who appears to be broke and in huge debt, along with his devil pet Pochita who works along with him. Denji is a demon or devil hunter, and description of the job is pretty self-explanatory. In this world of Chainsaw Man, where devil exists in 1997, so becoming a devil hunter is the best way to earn money. Although it needs to perfection and desireful, and also requires people to put their life at risk. This plot might be inspired from Hunter x Hunter. There also, hunter is the best profession that makes you and gives you a perfect life. Everyone put their lives at risk for becoming a hunter. So yeah, that's only my thought. You may not agree with me. That's fine. Then coming at Chainsaw Man, after your great work and work with high risks, nevertheless this hunting job pays barely enough for Denji to eat and barely survive. After all making money stuff, Denji is under huge debt, so he have to solve this matter fast, and that takes away quite a big chunks out of whatever he earned. We all know Denji's pet Pochita is a devil. Once upon a time, Denji managed to save him, and they create an agreement or something. Likewise, if Denji fell into a big trouble, then Pochita helps him to survive. Shortly after, Denji find himself in a similar kind of position where Pochita had. A zombie devil attacks at him and leave him at death's door. So that is the time for Pochita, who is eagerly waiting for this time when he makes up his promise, and yeah, Pochita saves Denji's life by giving him his heart and living inside him and turning him into a Chainsaw Man. In exchange, Pochita asks for a favor. Pochita asks to show him his dreams, and Denji simply agrees. From there onward, Denji's life turned upside down as he finally strong enough to dream of a better life for himself. And now let's talk about the characters. As you see, Chainsaw Man has lots of interesting characters, starting with Denji, the main protagonist of the story, and of course Pochita. Then Makima, a public safety devil hunter who plays a significant role in Denji's life and offers him work, although Makima often treats him as her own pet. Then Denji assigned to the team of a guy named Aki, and Aki's entire family was killed by a demon in front of his eyes. So as expected, Aki has no sympathy for devils. After that, we are also introduced to Power, who is a blood friend. It means her body was taken over by a devil as means to survive. Just like Denji, Power assigned to Aki's squad, and eventually they grow closer. Aki, Denji and Power, they are shown good bonding and act almost like a family. Of course, they are not only the main characters in the story, it has more than that, which fans should be quite excited to see in the anime. Also, there are quite a few characters who are beloved to the manga readers, such as Himino, Kobeni, Kishibe and others. Eventually, we can say that Chainsaw Man has quite a diverse cast with some really amazing characters. Now let's see what's coming to us and what are the surprises that we can get from this anime series. So that's it for video guys. What do you guys think about this anime? Let me know down in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy yourself. Bye.